Watch out! Ah!
Take that!
This way!
You can't escape!
He's right. We gotta fight. Hiya!
Rah! You're wasting your energy!
Ouch!
Give up!
Rumi, no! Let go of her! Rumi, get up! I'm coming!
Leave us alone! I'm right behind you! Come on, let's hide here!
I'll lock the door! I think we're safe now. Yep. He's gone.
This place is a dump.
These gentlemen will fix that.
We'll get to work!
Thanks, fellas! Told ya, they're fast! Glow up in progress!
Only one room left, miss. Almost done!
Wow, it's like brand new! That was money well spent.
Let's decorate our corners of the room! I'll go with ocean blue.
Obviously, there's no option other than pink for me. I picked purple, just like my hair. And here's my stage. My floor work screams romance. Time to paint the walls. Pet portrait? Done. It's all colorful, like my personality. I need some shelves for my beauty corner. It fits my whole makeup and perfume collection.
Every mermaid needs her underwater garden. Aww, our house looks magical now.
It's a reflection of all of us. And it feels so peaceful and cozy.
Yay!
This calls for a housewarming party. I can't wait to go in. Hey, I have the invitation.
Let me stop you right there. Gotta check what the scanner says.
Is this really necessary?
0%! No way you're going in! Impostor!
Does she need saving? I strongly think so.
Whoa, my head. Huh? It's you!
Yep, but don't get too excited. We have lots to do. Your turn, Z. So here's the plan. We're gonna make you our Rumi. We will start with your face, teeth, pimples, cheeks.
Oh.
Phew, that's a lot of work, really. And then…
Aha!
Ta-da! So, let's begin. I trust your plan, girl.
Should I be afraid?
Yeah. Take this. Got it. Trust me, this is my favorite flavor. Now get those chin muscles working. Whoa. Okay, girl. Moving on. So, what's next? Well, teeth checked. Next, pimples. Ugh, the worst.
I'm ready.
I'm not… I know just what you need. How is this going to help?
Wow, this is magic.
Let's get rid of that. Much better.
Wow.
I have an idea. Glitter is always a good choice.
How'd I look?
Not as I expected. Oopsie.
Hey, I didn't sign up for this.
But… oh no. It's no biggie.
Wait.
Don't worry.
Phew.
Never again. Okay, I got the right one here. Here comes the makeup dust.
This is the most glamorous version of me, like, ever.
We did it! A golden transformation! But we're not even close to being done yet.
Whoa!
To the salon! Let me take a closer look at your hair.
So dry.
And definitely the wrong color. How about...
No!
This looks wrong. Maybe.
So 80s.
Nope.
Cruella would be jealous.
Nuh-uh.
Wow.
Purple is your color. I call this shade the Soda Pop Purple. Mwah! Hair, check. We're getting there. Yay!
Huh?
The tail must go.
But how?
Oh, here's the answer to that problem.
I can't.
It might slightly hurt. Didn't think we would need this much. Are you ready?
Nope. Ouch!
Phew, this is gonna take a while. We did what we had to. Now you walk.
Whoa, this feels weird. Hey, don't look!
Don't worry. Now it's time for a fit check for your napalm era.
Wow.
Let's get you into some chic clothes.
I look like Sherlock Holmes. Yikes.
No, this is not her color. No pee. Maybe this?
Wow.
Perfect. I kept the best for last.
I feel like I can take over the entire monster world in this fit.
Yeah, girl. That's the spirit. And with that, we've completed everything. Let's do this. Not so fast. You still need to learn the choreography.
Slower, please. I can't keep up. Ouch. Wait, to the left or right?
Just copy our moves. It's easy. Stop! You're ruining the whole routine. Wait, maybe we should try a new teaching approach. Come on.
Well, this looks fun, to be honest. I will try my best.
You got this.
Left foot back, right foot back. Now I add the hands.
Go, go, go!
I think I'm finally getting it. Yay! I win!
Bravo! I knew you had it in you.
Wow. What's that? Is this really for me?
You're one of us now.
I'm a Huntrix. Let's hunt some monsters!
Hold on.
What now?
Your training is not over. Catch! Time to test your sword skills.
All those years of playing Fruit Ninja weren't for nothing. Phew!
Impressive. Truly. She's ready. We officially welcome you to the team.
Thank you!
You're done hiding. Now you're shining.
Like I'm born to be! Haha! The party awaits! Ahem.
Am I supposed to know who you are? I gotta check. No wannabe Huntrix allowed.
Huh? What do you mean? But why?
Sing your heart out. We've got your back. Always.
Let's do this.
Shut up and play.
Huh? Okay. Whoa, I like the sound of that.
You came at a bad time. But you just crossed the line. You want to get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear that sound ringing in your mind?
Yeah! Yeah!
Better sit down for the show. 'Cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done.
Huntrix, don't miss.
How it's done, done, done.
And the big applause.
Phew, we were incredible.
Yeah!
Okay, you can go in.
Yes, finally.
Let's party!
Wow, I'm so ready to have some fun after all that.